the thorny way of life. Children, I say there is no valuable thing in that place of pleasure and enjoyment. There is no valuable thing in that easy way of life. All the precious treasures, the treasures of heaven, are hidden in the thorny way of life. See, I choose the Calvary way, the way of sorrow, the bloody way, full of pains and agony for your salvation. There is no other way of salvation. I found them, the painful way of salvation. Children, do not reject the Calvary way. Though the way is painful, the end is full of happiness. So ito po, huwag po natin katakutan ang pagdurusa. Dahil dito sa pagdurusa, ito ang daan na pinili ng ating Panginoon para sa ating salvation. So, huwag i-reject ang Calvary way. Dahil kahit ang way ay painful, ang dulo ay full of happiness. Amen.